Good morning, my dear. Hope you all will be fit and fine. Students, as you know that we are discussing about animal in danger in GK, so you need to open your GK book, page number 24, and we will continue the session. And before starting the session, I want to remind you that please maintain social distancing and wearing the mask. And you know why? Because it's a very critical time. You need to very careful. Now just try to focus on the screen. You can see red panda on the screen. It's a beautiful animal like a cat, but this is not cat, this is red panda. Student, red panda with a length of about 2 feet are only slightly larger than the domestic cats and have bear like bodies. With thick red fur, they mostly live in trees, and more than half of them are found in the eastern Himalayas. Less than 10,000 of them exist in the wild, and they live in the cold atmosphere in the Himalayas. The loss of trees and bamboo in forest has caused a huge decline in the red pandas population. So we need to save them. How we can save them? Yes, proper use of paper. If somehow we will save the paper, then somehow we will save the trees, and indirectly we can save the pandas. Now let's move to the next one. You can see a huge animal on the screen. Yes, this is Asian elephant and little different than the normal elephants. These have been revered for centuries in Asia as they play an important role in the continent's culture and religion. Smaller than their African counterpart, Asian elephants can be identified by their smaller and rounder ears. Habitat loss due to expanding human settlements, agriculture, plantation, and large development works like making dams have led to a decrease in their numbers, and poaching is too a major threat to elephants because in Asia they are killed for their ivory tusks, meat, leather, and other products. With the help of our ivory tusk, student, this is teeth of elephant known as ivory tusks. This is useful for making ornaments. That's why they hunted them. Now we need to save them also. Now let's talk about some questions and answer, student. Here on the screen you can see a bird, and this is the answer of your first question. Which animal makes the longest migration? This is a small plain looking bird weighing between 19 to 90 to 120 grams. To the untrained eye, they do not look as if they are built for endurance. But these birds take the trophy for the longest migration of any animal in the world. They start flying from one pole to the earth and they fly to the second pole of the earth, north pole to south pole. So it's a very long route, and in his lifespan more than 35 years, we can go to the moon 3 times and come back. They can fly that distance in their lifetime. Now let's move. The answer of that question will be Arctic terns. Okay. Now let's move to the question number second. Question number second says, on which continent will you find the rare black spider monkey? This is black spider monkey, also known as red-faced spider monkey. They are found in South America. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. This is tiger, and this is answer of your yes. Third question. Which subspecies of tigers is the largest of all? Yes, this is Siberian tiger, or you can say Amur. Tigers are the world's largest tigers. Now let's move to the fourth question. Fourth question says, which endangered toothed whale is the largest? Yes, right answer will be sperm whale. It is bigger than the elephant, 3 times bigger than the elephant. You can see elephant is 3 meters long, but this whale is about 19-meter long. Now let's move to the next one. This looks like a dog, but it is answer of your fifth question. Fifth question says the cave hunting dog or hyena dogs are one of the world's most endangered animals and differ from other dogs in having only 4 toes on each foot. On which continent are they found? Yes, they are found in Africa. And now let's move to the question number 6 and last one. Name the apes, also called pygmy chimpanzees, which are found only in the rainforest of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Yes, this one is the largest frugivorous animal, students. Frugivorous means the animal who can only eat fruits. Fruit eating animals known as frugivorous, and this one is largest frugivorous animal after elephant. So name of that bonobos. Okay, is the right answer. So I hope that will be enough for today's session, and we will meet again in the next session. Till then, be very careful, be safe and be happy. Bye bye.